share with you a beautiful and inspiring poem called Desiderata, which is written by Max Ehrmann in 1957. Kindly read.
Max Ehrmann
Was born on September 26, 1872 in Terre-Haute, Indiana, USA. He was the son of German immigrant parents. He attended DePaul University in Indiana, where he earned his bachelor's degree. After that, he studied law at Harvard Law School, but he was more drawn to literature and poetry than practicing law. His most famous work is the poem Desiderata, which was written in 1927.
The poem has
Gained worldwide popularity and has been widely read. Wise and uplifting message on how to live a peaceful, fulfilled life.
So the title Desiderata is Latin for things desired or things to be desired, and it perfectly captures the essence of the poem, which is filled with timeless wisdom about how to live a peaceful and a fulfilled life. So Max Ehrmann was a American poet and a philosopher, and his poem Desiderata became popular for its messages of kindness, resilience, and inner peace. So the poem Desiderata guides us on how to stay calm and grounded no matter what life throws at us.
Go pleasantly amid the noise and haste, and remember what it means to remain in silence, so you can live peacefully despite the chaos or confusions around in our life. As far as possible, be down to surrender, be of good terms with all persons. So you should have a positive with everyone as much as possible, even if you have to compromise or having a deal of agreement with that person. Speak your truth quietly and clearly and listen to others, even to the dull and the interrogative you have the story. So it means you should be honest and tell the truth, but also you should listen to what others say, because everyone has a story and about the life of experience. Avoid loud and abusive pursuits. They are vexatious to the spirit. If you compare yourself with others, you may become vain or better. For always there will be greater and lesser very vain than yourself. So it means you should stay away from those people who are loud, mean people, because sometimes they give us or they give you trouble, problem, or pain. And also don't compare yourself with others, because sometimes it makes us feel bad or too good. Enjoy your achievements as well as your plans. So you should enjoy your success and your future goals. And also appreciate what you accomplish or what you have hoped to achieve. If interested in your own career, however, be humble. It is a real possession in the changing fortunes of times. Exercise caution in your business plans, for the world is full of people. It means you should love and retain interest in your career or job. However, you should be humble, and it is important to things your job. And be careful in business dealing, because many people nowadays are dishonest. But let this not blind you what virtue is. Many persons strive for high ideals, and everywhere life is full of ideals. So it means do not let negativity stop. Do not let negativity people stop you from seeing the good things in life. So as long as you did good, for the things of all validity and disenchantment, it is as perennial as the grass. So it means you should have to be true yourself and don't pretend to someone you don't like, and don't be negative or too much about love, because if it's true or real, it will be last even when things are hard.
So, the next paragraph, which is the daytime Vina council of the years, then every line has a deep meaning. So, daytime Vina council of the years means that it tells us to accept, aching, and to respect the wisdom that comes with time. We don't need to cling to your field forever, and growing older is natural, and it brings us deeper understanding. Then the next is nurture strength of spirit to shelter you in sudden misfortune. So we reminded this line that we build our inner strength so that when unexpected problems comes, kanang dili ka tayo nga kuyang, kanang mas ligon na mato ang muhang kuan ba? Sitaw ba ni eh? Kanang ganing, example, like, lima mo ako, dili din kalaayon, kay kabawan ka kanang ang problema kay mahalaga ko na solusyonan. Then do not distress yourself with dark imaginings. So and imaginings and many fears are born sympathy and loneliness. So this lines is kanang natong mga kanang kagulaan, kanang galing mga pag-uul ka kaisahay kanang dili na siya ingon nga kanang mao dunay tinuod, which is ako ang emotion nga to ang ipagawas, pero tinuod mo na ako ang hibati. Then this one is beyond wholesome discipline. Be gentle with yourself. So this line is, we should not be hard on ourselves, and we all make mistakes, but we forgive ourselves too, di ba? If ever ikaw mag-comment ka sa'yo, syempre, muna ko sa'yo, muna ko balingon, kaya ikaw may nag-comment na sala. Then you're a child of the universe, no less than the trees and the stars. So this one is the Nindut Educational Lines because it reminds us that no matter na kanang sama sa kanang kuan, sama sa mga bituon sa langit, kanang ikaw mismo na kayo mo pagalingon nga shine. Sa kasa pa kay butang, nindot ka po na imuhang mga anggol. Kaya which is kanina mo magkakuan kay sa imuhang po ikaw, wala mo message sa imuhang inner self ba? So the next one is you have a right to be here, and whether or not it is due to you. No doubt the universe is unfolding, and it should. It should. And it should at last. Then, even when life feels confusing, things are still falling into place. We may not see it now, but everything happens for a reason. Normal dyan ay isagad na ito nga kanang ingunog, sanay butang, mahita po, mayroon butang, everything happens for a reason. Normal na dyan. Hindi ko may tapong balay na so.
Mama.
Correct.
Then, therefore, at peace with God, whatever you conceive Him to be, and whether your labors and aspirations in the Lord is an expression of life and keep peace in your soul. So, life when we protect, but we must protect our inner peace and it will guide us. Then, with all the hijab, robbery, and broken things, it is still a beautiful world. Be cheerful, try to be happy. So, despite the lies, the hardship, and the failures, we're still surrounded by ourselves. Because, sa unsa man jud mahitabo, no, imuha man jud ang kanang kaugalingon, imuha madugulan.
Yes.
Even your friends, kanang friends, unsa ka na dira, if ever kanang problema ka, una din mong duulanan kay imuha man jud kaugalingon. Then be cheerful, strive, and be happy. So, we are reminded to choose happiness. Then the next is the T, which is the self-awareness, inner peace, and the moral integrity. So, kanitay na po ba kay kanang para dun sa imuhang kaugalingon. Dayon, namin giandam na answeranan kung questions lang. Then, answer the following questions in 3 to 5 sentences. How does the point encourage peaceful and fulfilling living? And what are some potential obstacles to living by the principles in the Siddhartha? So, kani kay kanang 1/2. Ha?
Ay, ito ang answer lagi. Okay, gumang grupo.
Tidak ka lang sentiro. Oh, ito ang
Nga!
sa Siddhartha.
Fortune.